Hello chaps, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a lovely one. I've noticed a lot of my viewers haven't subscribed yet, so hit that subscribe and hit that like button, please. Be much appreciated. So yeah, I just wanted to make like a video on the Yamaha Tracer 7. I have currently, let's see how many miles I've got on this bad boy now. I have currently got 15,932 miles on it. So this is a video of how I found it. So a long-term review basically. So the bike's been fantastic. I haven't had any breakdowns apart from like punctures, but you'll get that on any bike. The engine's been solid, it's been sound, it's super smooth still, like, yeah, it's flawless. There's nothing wrong with it at all. It's great. Am I disappointed that I didn't go for the Tenere 7? A tiny bit, because I am thinking of doing like some off-roading, but people have told me not to get a Tenere 7 now. Only get a Tenere 7 once I have learned on a small bike and learned how to go off-road. But on road, this bike has been absolutely wonderful. I haven't asked any more of it. Like, it's been perfect. Absolutely adore this bike. It's such a blast to ride. It's comfortable, even for a passenger it's comfortable. So it's just awesome bike, and I think if you are looking at it, you should just get it, because it is awesome. Like, I've never needed another bike really until now, where I've wanted to do a bit off-roads. So chaps, this is just a little recap of what mods I had on this bike, or improvements that I had on this bike. So I had engine protection, I got the rear and front mudguard extenders, I got front and rear axle sliders, I got rear bobbins for the paddock stands, I got the Pueg upgraded screen with the spoiler attached to it. I've got a CarPlay, maybe I'll do a review on this. I got this from AliExpress, it hasn't skipped a beat so far. Upgraded mirrors, the ones that can go in. I've now got heated grips, Oxford heated grips. Sorry if I'm going a bit fast. I've got a screen protector just in case, you know, when you put your gloves there, you don't want to scratch your LCD screen up. I've been trying this chain lubricant system. It doesn't work, it's rubbish. It worked for the first like 3-4 months, and now it just leaks all over the place, hence why I keep a rag there. Then I have the frame sliders, and then obviously the exhaust had a bit of drillium. So that's now got a bit more volume. I got these, look, these are all going rusty. This is the issue about living in the UK. You just got to clean your bike so much if you don't want it to go corroded or rusty. Like all these bolts here, all going like corroded and stuff. All of the stuff that I put on it to protect it, it just comes off really easily as well. I got the what do you call these? The oil, no, what is that? The water pump and water pump covers as well. But look, you can see corrosion underneath. It's just so bad. But what can you do? It's the joys of living in the UK, I guess. And then I've got a tank bag as well now. But yeah, that was just a little. And then obviously I got front and rear dash cams and all that. So yeah. So yeah, that's the bike at the moment. This is pretty much it. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else to it. This is it. So yeah, back to me chit-chatting. And to be honest, guys, I might be getting a Chinese bike, to be fair. There's a new bike on the block recently, like in the last couple of years, called a Vogue, or a Vogue, I'm pretty sure everyone calls it Vogue. 300 Rally. It's basically the same as a Honda CRF 300L, or the rally version. So people seem to be loving it, and you can get one for I'd say 2,800 is where they kind of sit at, like one owner with like 4,000 to 6,000 miles on it. And now that's pretty good. I couldn't ask for anything more than that. Like, that's a pretty good price. It shouldn't take me too long to recoup some money together to afford that bike, and then I'll be the owner of 2 motorbikes, and my insurance will be expensive again. You know, I'm turning 24 soon, in a few months' time. All my days. That's where the tenere needs to be there, bro. That's crazy. That has I need to stop using slang like bro and stuff. Anyway. But yeah, the Tracer 7 has been great. I have had my ups and downs with it in terms of like the screen rattle and the wind buffeting issues and stuff, but I think that's kind of with any bike really. You kind of get those sort of issues. You just got to get the right screen for you, or get the right helmet, because helmets make a big difference, you know. What's another thing I've had issues with? Really, none really. Like, yeah, it's been solid. Like, it's easy to work on as well. Like, for a big bike, it's quite easy to work on. You know, it's not as easy as like a 250 or 300, like dual sport or something, because once you take some panels off of that and it's pretty much naked, you can literally touch everything. But in terms of this bike, like, you have to take quite a lot apart to get underneath for the for the clearances of the valves and stuff. So, you know, there's that, but it's not that hard. Like, as long as you're a competent mechanic, then you should be fine, you know. So there is that. But yeah, it's been such a solid bike. The only other issue that I've had is like the LED headlights are so bright, they blind oncoming traffic, I think, because I constantly get flashed with my headlights, with the opposition, like with the oncoming traffic headlights, and I think it's because the headlights are so bright. Now, I've set them up properly with my weight and everything, and I've actually set them to go a little bit lower than where they should be, really, because most of the time I'm with a passenger. So the high beams are great. You can light up, you know, a single track road easy, but yeah, I just find that's a bit of an issue, blinding oncoming traffic. But I mean, yeah, it was a big issue in Scotland. Jeez, the amount of people at like late night were flashing us flashing me because of my headlights was ridiculous. So there is that, and that's kind of annoying. But overall, the bike's been solid. It starts on the bottom. Yeah, it was quite funny. A few like months ago, my battery kind of went a bit dead, and I literally just gave it a good run on the motorway, and seemed to fix that issue. So that was good, that was handy, so I didn't need to take it to the garage or like go and pick up a new battery at all. I just had to just give it a good run, and now it starts on the button pretty much. I probably do need to change the battery though, let's be honest, because it has seen some cold weather and some action. But yeah, if you're looking to get this bike, I definitely would get it if I were you, because it's bloody awesome. I've gone into Rikers, but I don't even know if I want to go into Rikers. I might just go for a little motorbike ride down one of the country lanes. So I think I'm just going to do that, and have a bit of fun, maybe, potentially. So I'm going to just do that. I will see you chaps in the next one. Hope you guys have a nice Wednesday, and yeah chaps, I'm trying to build up a community on YouTube and a community on Discord, because I want to do ride outs and stuff. I want to do adventures, and when I do get the off-road bike, I want to do some green lanes with people and have some fun in the muds, because I think that would be quite fun, especially in the summer as well. I think that'll be an absolute blast. So yeah, there's a link in the description, or on my YouTube channel for the Discords. Feel free to join. There's only one of my mates in there at the moment. He was helping me make sure that I had all the rules set up and automatic rule giving and stuff, and I actually do now, so it's all like set up and everything as it should be. So yeah, that'll be good if you guys can check it out. Just slowly build up a community on it. If any of you guys like playing video games, hit me up on there as well. I'll be more than happy to play some Rust or some CSGO, because that's currently what I'm playing as well. I love video games and I love motorbikes, so if you like those two, then even more reason to join the Discord. If you just like motorbikes, then feel free to join the Discord too. And yeah, see you in the next one, guys.